Hey Mike, Found Video ITV, and today we're gonna try to remove this crazy hump in this wall.
How might he do that?
I don't know. We're gonna try a planer, which is probably a terrible idea, but let's do it. And I just wanna show you how bad this hump is.
Hey, I'm so sorry. I wanted to do a special
All right, and I don't like this. Now, the good thing is this is all gonna be covered by cabinets. So it doesn't have to be perfect, and it's also gonna be covered by backsplash, okay? So what I'm gonna attempt to do is I'm gonna attempt to use a planer, and I wanna see how this goes, because I just need to take off a little bit, about like probably a 1/4 of an inch, you know? And I know this is probably not the most ideal way, but again, it's gonna be covered, and I think it might work. Worst case scenario, we're gonna have to cut this out from this stud, cut this all out, and there's a stud here, and just replace it with a piece of drywall, which is probably the right way to do it, and it's the way that I'm gonna do it.
Is it gonna work?
Of course it's gonna work.
Is it gonna screw everything up?
No.
Maybe.
I think it's gonna be a disaster. All right, so step one is cover up your brand new quartz countertops with something that won't allow it to get chipped. So I'm using this thin, super thin, almost paper, less than paper thin plastic sheeting. All right, so we're gonna start pretty small. I'm gonna start with a 3/64. That's tiny. And we're just gonna shave it just to see what this is gonna do to the drywall. Again, I have no idea what's gonna happen here.
It's a lot of dust.
Yeah, it's not gonna work. It's way too much dust. But it would have worked, it looks like. But it's way too much dust. I can't do that inside my house. Oh, that fell. All right, so we're gonna try a hand planer. Probably gonna destroy it. Don't care, I need this freaking drywall flat. So let's try this. Big hump right here. All right, so this is what we're working with here. So it's not the prettiest. It's definitely a hack. It's definitely hacky. I get it. We should have just ripped out the drywall and put new ones, but we just had a bump right there. So this is what it kind of turned out to. So what I'm doing now is I mixed up a batch of 45-minute mud. This stuff dries. It's called 45-minute mud because it dries as hard as concrete, kind of, in 45 minutes. Okay. So I mixed it a little loose, and I'm gonna basically coat this a real nice thin coat. All right, so that was just a quick hack. I'm Mike, Found Video ITV. Check me out, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Found Video ITV. I'm Mike and I'm out.